Self-adhesive fabric posters allow you to avoid a costly frame or any possible wall damage created by taping or tacking up a traditional paper poster. Its repositional adhesive allows for an easy and forgiving installation on most all surfaces, while its matte finish creates the professional appeal of a permanent sign. Ensuring the best performance of your graphic starts with these 3 simple steps. Clean the application surface, align the graphic, apply the graphic. A well-applied graphic begins with a proper surface preparation. Using a towel and soapy water, remove any dirt or dust from the surface. If any wax or oily residue may exist, use an alcohol-based cleaner to remove any residue. Then, wash the wall again with soapy water to remove any residuals from the more aggressive cleaner. After cleaning the surface, use a dry towel to make sure the surface area is completely dried. After the surface is prepared, we will pre-position the graphic to ensure that it is applied straight. When placing the graphic onto an open wall, you can use a bullet level or measure from the nearest straight line. Use 2 pieces of masking tape in the top corners of the graphic to lightly pin the graphic in place and adjust the graphic until it's level. Check your measurement one last time before placing a larger piece of tape across the top of the print. Please make sure that the tape is positioned half and half on the top edge of the graphic. To begin the application process, hang the print upwards and remove approximately 6 inches of the carrier paper on the top back portion of the graphic. Curl the carrier paper back to create a loop. This loop will hold the graphic away from the wall as you pull the graphic down, taut and towards the wall. When pressing and pulling the squeegee, hold the squeegee at a 30 to 50 degree angle against the surface. Angle the edge of the squeegee approximately 20 degrees down while dragging it parallel to the top edge of the graphic. Each pass of your squeegee should overlay to the next to ensure that you have pressed down on the entire surface area of the graphic.